Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd do a quick video of a little mod I've done to the old Jayco here. I've just made up myself a bit of a side bench here to mount our Weber and cookers and stuff on, and a bit of a prep bench. So just wanted something easy you could just lock into the side of the van. So I'll turn this into this. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a nice little bench for less than $100 to mount to the side of your van. So stick around and I'll show you how we got to this stage. Alright, so this whole little project cost me about $100 to do. I've got this fold down table leg off TEMU. First time I've ever shopped on there. It's the only thing I could find that would probably do the job, so I thought I'd give it a shot. It was around $59 delivered, and yeah, got a little extension on one end. That goes out, goes back in, and it's adjustable, so that was pretty good. Okay, so in that $59 it actually come with a like a sail track mount that mounts to the side of the van, and these two little locking tabs which mount that to the table. So yeah, for $59 can't go wrong. Now for the table. So I was just walking around Bunnings there a couple of weeks ago and just come across this bit of multi-use timber panel, Acacia Golden it's called. So yeah, look, I don't think it's a proper outside thing, but you know, it's going to be under the cover and stuff like that. It's not going to be hanging out on the van all the time. It's going to be packed back away when we pack up. It's just something to yeah, put the Weber on and, you know, do a bit of prepping and stuff on while we're outside. So yeah, this was $30, so we're still coming in at just under $100. Alright, plan is to mount that sail track piece about here somewhere. So the leg itself, fully extended, you get about 77 centimetres height. So I'm just going to go a little bit under that, probably around 72. Go 5 centimetres underneath that, so the leg's got a bit of movement in it. So if we're not quite set up on exactly flat ground, I can still adjust the table to a near perfect level. Alright, so these little tab thingies, they just mount to the wood on the table there, and yeah, they just latch over on the little extrusion sail track piece. So yeah, a little button to lock it in. Couldn't be any easier really. Alright, so we're just going to go around that 73 centimetre mark. So around there's the 73. Alright, so that's 73 high. We'll use the board itself to roughly line that up. So alright, so that's basically the mark we'll be looking at, about that high. So I'll just double check myself, make sure that the leg's going to be high enough. Yeah, okay, that gives me plenty. So that's a good little adjustment, and yeah, the table will just be a nice height with the Weber on it. Should be just perfect. All right, so the TEMU kit, that the leg and stuff, it actually comes with good decent screws. So I'm just going to use the ones that they gave me. Yeah, and we'll just go straight into the side of the van. I've had a bit of a look in behind there. There's nothing really nothing really important in back there, so it should be fine. Alright, that's all mounted up. Just set it up there. It's pretty square. It's within a mil, I reckon, level, so that'll do. Let's get the table side of it sorted. Alright, so we'll just measure it up evenly on one end of the on the board here, and then yeah, mount these little tabs on each end. So yeah, it should only take about 5 minutes. Alright, I'm just roughly going to go 40 mil in from either side, and yeah, that'll be about good enough, I think. Don't have to try too hard here. Just get it there. Same again on the other side. line him up around there roughly, and yeah, screw him in. Alright, just onto the foldable leg part now. I'll just measure that right in the middle here, and yeah, mount that straight up, and then yeah, we'll go fit her up and see how it goes. Alright, let's see how this attaches on. Should just be a matter of going like that, going down. Alright, moment of truth. Just the right height for the Weber, I think. Couldn't get any better if I tried. So yeah, just locks onto place there. I'm not super happy with how it sits on there, but now it's got the weight of the Weber on there. It's yeah, it's not too bad. It's fairly solid. A little bit of movement in it, but yeah, we might work something out down the track further on and see if we can't make it a little bit more solid. But so far, yeah, we'll run with that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little short video, and you might get something out of it and do it to your own setup. So cheers guys, and we'll see you on the next one.